nasaan ka man. Basta gupit, Bubs app.
been a
Just
long
download the app on Play Store and Apple Store today. Mga kababs, nais ma-discover ang iyong talent sa paggugupit?
Hey, yo, what's
What's
up,
up?
my G?
Welcome to
What's up ang Barbero episode, what?
34.
34?
Yes, 34. Good afternoon sa inyo lahat mga kababs. Welcome. Pasensya na medyo natagalan yung huling live natin.
When was the last time that we did the Usapang Barbero?
July, before my birthday.
July what?
Before birthday ko yun eh. Mga 13. Ay, hindi. 12.
12. So we haven't,
2
Had-
weeks.
2 weeks tayong walang podcast.
2 weeks.
It's because of what? Because of circumstances.
The first week, the second week, ikaw yung may podcast naman. Kila Bugoy.
Pero hindi tayo napag-usapang Barbero kasi sumasakto sa mga circumstances. Eh, no?
Yes.
Unexpected.
Yes.
But ganun talaga. You gotta adjust.
Yep, and that's what we did. And we are here mga kababs. Welcome. Pasensya na kayo at medyo natagalan ulit ang aming episode.
But shit, it's good to be back.
Yes.
Good to be back with a lot of growth and knowledge.
2 weeks is a lot
Yes.
that we can speak about. I think mga 3 hours po tayo nandito ngayon.
Handa ba kayo? Kaya kung may mga
Ah.
natatago kayong mga tanong dyan, huwag na kayo
Yeah.
magpahuli.
If you guys have
I-comment mo na.
questions, yes. If you guys have questions, feel free and drop it in the comment section below.
Kung ano yung mga
May nagbabasa
intriguing,
naman doon. Yeah.
kung ano yung mga intriguing questions na gusto nyo itanong, handa-handa kayo sagutin ni Mr. Babs,
Tsaka ni JP Bacalyan.
ni Kuya Babs.
Ni JP Bacalyan din.
Bro,
What's up?
yeah man, it just feels good na nandito ulit tayo ngayon.
Yeah.
Ang daming nangyari
Yeah.
in a span of 2 weeks.
Dami.
Different environment,
Yes.
different learnings,
Yes.
different circumstances.
A lot.
And
A lot of
of
circumstances.
course, how we do things is to always overcome
Yes.
with no stress.
Yes. And that was growth.
Yes.
Every stress is growth din naman eh.
Exactly right. Parang natutunan ko lang din na, tangina, stress ka na nga eh. But bakit kailangan mo pang magpaka-stress?
Mhm.
Diba? If there are two things na pipiliin mo sa oras na sobrang, naramdaman mo na ba yung parang nahihilo ka?
Stress.
Parang sasabog yung ulo mo kakaisip na kung anong dapat mo. Yeah, stress. Technically stress.
When I was a bit more younger, I think that was the time na hindi ko pa kayang i-handle yung stress.
Oo.
Kaya na-overwhelm ka.
How do you react before?
Parang lagaran, hindi mo maintindihan anong gagawin mo. Alam mo yun, yung lalo na pag sabay-sabay siya na kailangan mong gawin. Yung parang, damn, saan ko ba sisimulan to? Alam mo yun?
But at the end of the day, you
Mhm.
overcome and natatapos mo naman.
When I was hindi the way I want to get it accomplished.
What was this age?
27, 28.
Oh shit, bro, that's my age right now.
Yeah. Kasi iba yung stress level during ganong age na eh. Compared to 22. Alam mo yung mga stress mo nun, mabibigat na pero hindi naman pala siya ganun ka-stressful.
Totoo yan.
27, 28, 29, 30, it's almost like life and death stress.
Oo.
Or get homeless or be, stress. You kinda get what I mean.
Let get homeless and be.
And make it. Yun yung type of stress na
Yeah.
nararamdaman mo na during those age. Luckily, at this age, hindi mo nararamdaman ng ganun. Kasi that's a scary feeling, lalo na may
naman.
kids.
Yes, bro.
You know what I mean?
That's siguro naman hindi mo rin papabayaan yun because of
Oh, yeah. I won't.
the main reason and the source of strength is right there.
Yeah. And hindi mo na siya papaabutin doon dahil doon sa mga lessons na natutunan mo when I was you guys' age.
Kasi nga sabi mo nga, 'di ba? Nandito ka na sa oras mo na ngayon na hindi na pang sarili ang ginagawa mo.
Yeah. Ibig sabihin na hindi na pang sarili, yung decision mo, hindi na rin talaga
Hindi
pang sarili.
Oo. Kumbaga sa isang call mo, sa isang desisyon, marami ang maapektuhan, hindi lang ikaw.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ooh.
And guys, while you guys are watching, like what we said, you guys can drop comments and questions below.
Yeah,
And also, how's our audio? Please, someone comment below.
ayos
Kamusta yung
ba?
audio natin? Kasi merong nag-comment before na
Static.
or medyo malakas yata sabog yung ano natin.
This time for me, it's good.
I know it sounds good, no?
Sounds good. Sounds very clear.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sana
Walang
sa kanila din.
oo. Pero yeah, if kung static man, please let me know para, let
Maya-
us know para ma-adjust na kaagad.
Yes.
And
So,
yes, brother.
ano nangyari sa'yo this past 2 weeks?
Past 2
Nakita naman tayo no?
Oo. Sadyang
Oo.
may mga shit lang talaga. Parang
Nangyari.
nagsama lang tayo sa nagsama lang
The day
tayo
before.
nagsama lang tayo sa isang event para
Yeah.
para may matapos yung isa.
Yeah.
Kasi ba parang God has made a way para magsama tayo.
Yeah.
And for the other one to explore things and to learn.
Yeah.
Even you, alam kong meron ka rin natutunan dun.
Yeah. Of course.
But yeah, for the past 2 weeks, ano pa ba ang aking mga ginawa?
Ano pa nangyari the past 2 weeks?
What
Nung kina YB, ay happy birthday pala, bro.
Oh, yo.
Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday, Young Blood, Neat.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes,
I
sir.
wish you all the best, my man.
And he has a big project right now. I just spoke to him.
Yeah.
The big one. I don't want to say. I'll tell you later. Yeah. Congrats on that. Woo! Damn.
Parang, yeah, man.
let's give him.
Thank you. I mean,
Yeah.
congratulations sa kung ano man ang gagawin mo, YB Neat. Alam kong malupit yan.
Mamaya sabihin ko kay JP.
Oh.
Pero nung
Bawal
nakapag-podcast ba
sabihin
tayo?
dito?
Hindi, wag muna. Kasi big business niya yun eh.
Okay.
Humingi lang siya ng suggestions, tips.
That is nice.
Pero nakapag-podcast ba tayo after nun?
Nangalin?
Kay YB?
Oo, di ba?
Oo. Damn.
Podcast tayo.
Parang
nun.
tagal kasi na din yung podcast. Ano? Hindi tayo nakapag-podcast after birthday ko.
Hindi na.
Nakapag-podcast tayo before ng birthday ko.
May mga supposedly podcast, pero yun nga, may mga circumstances
circumstances, mga
tayo.
emergency
Expect
calls.
emergency.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sa lahat po pala ng mga nasalanta.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Alam ko mahirap, pero malalagpasan yan.
Yeah.
Pero grabe.
Yeah. But you know what's crazy? I was just speaking to my brother earlier about bagyo dito sa Pilipinas.
Oo.
The news really make it seems like, kasi nag-message sila Ralph, mga homies natin from States.
Sabi?
Yo, are you guys okay? You know, are you guys okay? In the back of our heads, it's like, man, we're doing okay.
Oh.
Pero siguro talaga sa news, what they show is all, parang buong Pilipinas yung affected.
Pero technically, Metro Manila talaga.
Yeah, Metro Manila. And what I told my brother, isn't it crazy na, how do you say this? Isn't it crazy na people really, we're accustomed to it already.
Mm.
How do you say that? Yung pag may bagyo, yung parang
Sanay
na yung our culture na magkabagyo.
Bagyo. Kasi nga, tropical country tayo. So, expected na rin natin yung mga bagyo.
Yeah. Pero naiisip mo syempre yung mga nababagyo na yung meron, yung may wala.
Oo, malala.
Pero ibig sabihin, kahit naman yung meron, pag tinamaan ng bagyo, ibig sabihin, di ba, yung mga naipundar na nila,
Yeah, affected.
Na-affected.
Oo.
Pero
Lalo mga taga Marikina.
Dito ako proud, brother, kasi ilang beses na nangyayari yan eh. Pero alam mo yung kaya mo pa rin tumayo, kaya mo pa rin lumaban. Pag nangyari, kasi parang in the back of your head, one of these days, may mangyayaring ganyan na naman.
Oo naman.
You know what I'm saying? Pero willing ka pa rin tumayo.
Mm.
Kasi minsan may nangyayari sa tao na ganyan na, man, this is my dead end.
Pero tatanggalin natin sa isip natin yung dead end. As a human being, as a man, as a God, as a God creation, you will absolutely overcome.
Yeah.
Kahit ano pang klase yan, kahit gaano pa kabigat yan.
Yeah. Diyan ako believe sa Filipinos, brother. Diyan ako believe sa culture natin.
Kasi nga, ipaliwanag mo nga sa akin, gaano kalayo ang kultura ng Western American and the Filipino in terms of handling their stress and handling their broken hearts ba?
I think, lalo na sa ganito, na repetitively nangyayari sa Pilipinas yung mga thunderstorms, mga baha. Men, sa iba dyan, yung parang pag nawala na sila, they end up being homeless.
Mm-hmm.
Yung parang nawalan na ng lakas ng loob na lumaban ulit.
Gumalaw.
Gumalaw. I think that's one of the things yung iba magre-rely na sa government, sa states. You know what I mean?
Oh.
I'm not really, don't count on what I'm saying, but what I mean is that's what I see. You know, that's my opinion. Na hindi katulad dito, it's laban ulit.
Parang ganun tayo
fight again.
Tawag dito, ganun tayo naka-program eh.
Yeah.
Pag Filipino, kahit gaano kahirap, makikita mo yung nakangiti.
Yeah,
Di ba?
that's true.
Totoo ba?
Actually, this is one of the things, since you brought that up. I was in the car with Jay the other day. Or, no, nung papunta tayo Kalabugoy.
Bakit?
Yung tropa niya from Australia, they were speaking about, sabi kinukumpita ni George na, oh, come over to the Philippines, you're gonna like it. And then, sa kanya mismo, yung kausap niya, doon lumabas yung, you know what, bro? Filipinos, I think, is one of the nicest people. On earth. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
So I was like, wow, dude, that's how they see us. You know, in general na yun eh. Kasi Filipino people are
very
the nicest, bro. It's not one of the nicest.
The
nicest people in the world. So I was like, wow. Heartwarming. Hindi ko na panhalata kay George. Wow.
Yeah, they kept on saying that. Tapos, tayo daw mga Pilipino ay very emotional compared to them.
Kaya nga, during the podcast nyo nila, Bugoy, naalala mo yung time na pinagkukwentuhan nyo yung tungkol sa kanta?
Anong to? Saan
yung
banda?
may part na nag-usap kayo yung mga hit songs, yung mga ganito. Ito pa ang isang malaking difference from westernized to us. Yung mga bata ngayon, kasi na-realize ko, yung pamangkin ni Mrs. si Annalay, yung minsan nandiyan yung kalaro ni Chloe, she is still familiar with the old songs. 70s, 80s. Bro, pag tinanong mo yung mga kasing edad niya sa States, wala nang alam sa mga old songs.
Yeah.
So going back to the topic that you were saying now, Filipinos are emotional. We're connected to the songs. Doon mo maiintindihan ako emotional eh. Kasi yung mga music na pinapakinggan, di ba?
The emotion of the
emotional
song.
songs. Hanggang ngayon, napaplay pa rin siya.
Ganun ang impact ng Ganun ang impact ng isang kanta na talaga. Yeah, we were talking about paano siya
naging
tatagal
hits.
eh.
Yung timeless.
Paano ko gumawa ng isang timeless na kanta.
Yes.
Ako para sa akin, hindi ko kayang masagot yun eh. Hindi ko kayang masagot yung formula ng timeless ng paggawa ng kanta.
Pero it makes sense when they said it's the writer's rhythm. Kung very catchy yan.
Yeah.
Ito. Kahit hindi siya emotional song. When you think of Black and Yellow, sino naiisip mo?
Wiz.
It's the rhythm. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
Repetitive.
Yeah. Yun nga yung sinabi nila doon sa isa. Hindi mo muna natin sabihin yung mga napag-usapan masyado doon kasi lalabas pa nila yun. Nasisira. Pero ibig sabihin, di ba?
Yeah.
It's the rhythm, it's the repetitiveness. Kaya nga may word na LSS eh.
Totoo naman yan.
Tsaka yung bago mo lalabas na kanta. Lapit na. Hindi ko lapit na.
September 14, mga chong.
Woo!
Talagang
LSS. I feel like for me, listening to that song, it's like a timeless song.
And it's a very emotional song. It's a very emotional song.
Yeah.
Na talagang you will see how to compromise. You will see how compromising will work in terms of relationship.
Yeah. You guys look out for that. This song will be one of the hits.
It's not a typical song.
No.
It's not a typical song na maririnig nyo kung ano yung mga na-release ngayon.
Yeah. Hint na lang. Sipin mo nung narinig ko to, akala ko pang OPA. Pang Korean movie na siya. Alam mo yun, narinig ko yung kanta niya na Hindi niya pa narinig ko na yun. Pero guys, hintayin niyo yun. Trust me. Lalo na December season, no? Burr season. Alam mo, pwede na ipina-place.
Kasabay ng bull run ng mga crypto.
I know. Talk about crypto. Yung binabanggit mo kanina, no?
Yeah, man. I just wanna give a big shout out to Kuya Renmark. Actually, nagkasama-sama ulit kami ng mga crypto friends ko for last. Nung sinabi ko sa'yo na may meeting ako ng gabi.
Yeah.
Sila yung kausap ko, sila yung kasama ko.
Okay.
So they have pushed me again to build in crypto. Kasi as of now nga, ang status ngayon ng mga cryptocurrencies is at the lowest point.
Yeah.
Pero this is the right time for you to purchase those kind of coins. Pero dapat syempre, when you purchase a coin or when you purchase a crypto coin, kailangan yung basis or yung history ng sinusuportahan mong crypto is
Yeah.
talagang legit.
Yeah.
How can you say when it's legit? You have to do a research.
Yeah.
And because of my Kuya Renmar and Kuya Stephen, hindi ko na kailangan mag-research eh.
Yeah.
They just have to
The
tell me,
resource.
binibigay nila lang sa akin, here's the background, here's the study, kung ano yung cryptocurrency na yan,
Mhm.
go invest.
Yeah.
Ang malupit pa nga nun, bro, binibigyan pa nila ako ng crypto.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
That's love.
I love you. Yeah, tapos sabi pa sa akin ni Kuya Renmore na, JP, ang pag-hold ng crypto, ang sikreto.
Oo.
Yeah. Kasi there are hold. There are
Mm.
people who just purchase it, just hold.
Oo.
Kung parang investment lang,
Oo.
yung pera nila naging crypto nakatabi. Pero syempre, volatile yun. Pwede
Bumaba.
bumaba, pwede tumaas.
Yeah.
So, ganun yung ginagawa ng iba.
Yeah.
So, when the bull run comes, marami talaga magbe-benefit.
Yeah.
Pero syempre, there are drought times. Pero that is the right time for you to purchase crypto.
Yeah.
Yeah, big shout out to my Kuya Renmar and Kuya Stephen. I hope, Kuya Stephen is well-known in
Mhm.
terms of crypto. He's a crypto guy and he travels the world
Wow.
because of crypto. And I want him to be a guest here.
Yeah. Let's do it.
Yeah, man. Soon.
Come on, Kuya.
Kuya. Yeah.
Think about it, bro. Would you ever imagine when we were younger na yung currency ng pera may
Magiging
bagong
digital.
pangalan, digital too.
Digital. Yes, it's para naniniwala ako na doon na papunta talaga.
And talking about doon na papunta. Doon na din yung papunta.
Galing mo talaga. Galing mo talaga.
Doon na rin papunta ang mga old school ways. Katulad
Ayan.
ng paggugupit. So if you guys haven't downloaded the app, as a client, download babs.app
Pakita ko
sa
na
Google
sa kanila
Play
yung ano.
and iOS Store.
Pakita natin sa kanila yung app, no?
Yeah.
And also, bro,
Yeah.
speaking of, pinakita ko to kay Kuya Renmar.
Okay.
Sabi niya, ang galing nang naisip niyan.
Kailangan
Kailangan ko yan.
Yeah.
Kailangan ko yan. Paano yan?
Yeah.
Tinuruan ko siya kung paano ngayon gamitin tong app.
Yeah.
And he's about to use it. Kumbaga, why am I saying this? I'm saying this because what we sell at Babs is convenience.
Yes, sir.
Para sa isang mga busy tao na tulad ko, tulad niya, o tulad man o sino masisipag na tao dyan na
Yes.
talagang hectic ang schedule.
Yes.
Babs is the answer kung gusto mo mas maging presentable sa pupuntahan mo.
Yes. And at the same time, it's really yes, it is for sa mga busy na tao.
Yes.
Pero if you think about it, kahit naman hindi ka busy, willing ka ba talaga mag-aksaya ng oras minsan na pumila?
Yan.
Na mag-travel?
Yan.
Para magpagupit?
Yan.
When meron naman pwedeng dalhin sa'yo at the very same cost
Aha.
na gagawin mo. Kasi think about it. Magdadrive ka. Magpa-parking ka. Pagpila mo, ilang oras na nawala sa'yo?
Siguro mga nasa 40 minutes.
Yeah. Tapos pagugupitan ka na plus 1 hour pa.
Isang oras.
Oh, usually, di ba? Pag
1.5
quality yung haircut na hinahanap mo, 1 hour.
Or 1.5.
Yeah,
Mabot
1 and a
mo
half. So, ibig sabihin, damn, you just spent 2 hours to 3 hours of your life
Waiting.
waiting, getting your haircut. When you
Mm.
can do all of this at home.
Mm.
Safe ka pa.
Mm.
Di ba? And at the same time, ngayon, ayan, bumagyo.
Oh.
Umulan. Ano nangyari sa mga negosyo? Patay.
Mm.
Oh. Like what I said with barbershops, with barbers, we are an option for you guys to get additional income.
Fees and income, yes.
Bro, pag ganyan, tila na yung ulan, tila na yung yung income mo, tumila na rin. Gets?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So it's just another option. Kailangan mo talagang, we're not saying this because we are the owners of the
Yeah,
app.
man.
We are saying this just logically wise. Kailangan mong sumabay sa alon ng panahon.
Kailangan mong mag-accept ng change.
Change. You have to accept the change. You know what I'm saying? Kind of like this. Isa pa na to. Isa pa. A very good example. Radyo.
Mm. Mismo.
Spotify.
Oh, di ba?
Kung talaga nag-stuck ka sa radyo, ngayon wala ka na masyadong mapapakinggan.
Yeah.
Wala ka pang choice. You know what I'm saying?
Sila pa nasusunod kung anong gusto nilang i-play.
Oh. Eh ngayon sa Spotify, sumabay ka sa change, di ba? Nakuha mo yung gusto mo. Same thing with Babs. Makuha mo yung gusto mo, convenient pa sa'yo, kahit nasan ka, Babs is there. Buong Pilipinas. You know? Right now, we have
Man.
1,060 clients.
Hey!
Nationwide.
Yo, 1,060 clients nationwide. Buong Pilipinas.
And we are on our 5th month. And we are at 96 barbers. So mga
Oy.
barbers dyan, talagang nagiging balakid sa kanila yung police clearance, NBI clearance, all these requirements.
Yes.
Kasi actually, bago to sa bago to sa industry.
Bagong meta to, technically.
Hindi, tsaka yung process. Kasi marami naman talagang barbershops na hindi masyado nagre-require ng ganun ka-detailed na requirements para sa mga barbers. Kailangan lang marunong ka talaga magupit, ganun. Nanan sa big company. Pag mga micro-business barbers, ang hanap talaga nila, kailangan nila ng barbero na marunong magupit. So, hindi na nila papahirapan yung barbero para na nag-a-apply. Basta magaling ka magupit, goods.
Basta nakikita ako sa'yo, goods na.
Oo. But with Babzap, you guys have to understand, papasok yan sa bahay mo.
Yes.
Ikaw ba, barbero or barbershop owner, gusto mo ba may randomly na tao na pupunta sa'yo kahit nasa app yan na hindi mo na security mo?
Mahirap.
You know what I'm saying?
And also, huwag kayong matakot kasi having a police clearance and an NBI clearance is one key to professionalism.
Yes.
Technically, you are a professional here.
Yes.
So, kailangan mo mag-adjust. Kailangan mo sumunod sa kung ano yung basis ng kumpanya.
Yes.
And that is for the safety of the clients.
Yes.
And hindi lang sa inyo, para sa mga taong nakapaligid dun sa app.
It's so good that you brought that up. Kasi ngayon, dito ko madadala yung comparison na sinasabi nila sa ibang
Go ahead.
sa ibang countries. Oh, bakit sa ganun? Ganun na sila. Gets? Bakit sa ganun? Because they have a procedure to overcome.
Yep.
Para makapasok sa ganung industry. Yung iba nga, di ba, nag-i-schooling pa para magkaroon ng professional license for barbering or whatsoever profession. Dito sa atin, di ibig sabihin, sumunod ka rin dun sa mga requirements kasi para sa'yo rin naman yan eh.
Technically.
Hindi mo namin kukunin yan, hindi mo na magagamit to eh. It's for you to have also.
And also, dagdag din to sa pagbibigay respeto sa sarili mo.
Yes.
Gets?
Discipline.
Discipline mo.
Yeah.
And baliin natin yung ganong klaseng mindset na hindi porket mahihirapan ka, hindi mo na gagawin. Diba? Hindi porket nakita mo na, ay, nakakatamad. Baliin na natin yung ganon. Hindi na tayo pang ganon ngayon.
Yeah.
Kung nakikita mong opportunity yan, break the odds, man.
Yeah.
Tsaka di naman siya sobrang odds eh. Gets mo ba? Hindi siya balakid sa'yo eh.
No.
Hindi siya balakid. Makakatulong yan sa'yo.
Yeah.
Kasi it's a clearance, bro.
Yeah.
It's a clearance. Yeah.
And pinag-usapan na rin namin ni Joy to kanina. Is the sense na marami talaga na hindi pa sa kanila klaro yung goal ni Babs.
No, actually nakikita ako din eh.
Oo.
Sa long run na nangyayari.
Yeah.
But there are results.
Yeah.
There are results. Pero alam mo yun, the time will come.
Yes. Yes. Tapos biglang talunan. You know? And alam mo, dito po mo makikita sa numbers. 1,060, 96 barbers, pero meron tayong 383 na nag-a-apply na barbers and barbershops. Diba? Pero ibig sabihin, dito makikita, common sense na to ha. Merong 1,060 na kliyente na gustong magpagupit. Sinong kulang? Barbers.
Barbero.
So, sino mga nagkukulang? Yung mga barbero.
Kasi, takot sila bakit ba kayo natatakot mag-submit ng police clearance and NBI clearance, brothers and sisters? Kung may sisters.
Meron tayong mga
brothers and sisters.
Barberas.
Diba? You just kailangan mo lang sumunod. Yun lang. Tanggalin natin sa vocabulary ng Pilipino na hindi marunong sumunod at gusto nila sarili lang diskarte. No, you gotta follow rules.
Yeah.
You gotta follow rules.
And imagine, bro. Kunyari, dumating talaga ako sa point na itong team natin na meron tayong isang overseas investor or overseas partner.
Which is hindi malabong mangyari.
No, I see it on the run. Pag yan, biglang nag-click dun sa sa ibang bansa. Doon kayo man, yung Babs.
Yeah. Mismo, G. Alam mo, since na brought up mo yan, di naman para sa baliin na. Pero tapos, alam mo ba si Backstreet Boys? Kasi I have watched it last night.
Yeah.
Ang history ni Backstreet Boys, bro, hindi talaga sila napansin sa Amerika.
Yeah.
Hindi sila pumutok sa Amerika. Pumutok sila sa Germany. Kasi dun putok yung mga boy bands before. So dinila sila ng manager nila na si Lou doon sa Germany.
Yeah.
Doon sila sumabog na sobra. Doon nakilala yung pangalan nila. Ngayon, pagbalik nila ng Amerika, lahat ng Amerikano naghihintay sa kanila. Gets?
Yeah.
So technically, pag nangyari sa atin yun, pagbalik natin dito sa Pilipinas, wow!
Uy, matagal na kami nandito ngayon. Ay, alam mo yun?
Oo. Pero yeah, that is a great circumstance to happen. And
balikan natin yung podcast kay Boss Toyo. Yung, yung crab mentality.
Yeah, hilahan pababa.
Hindi naman hilahan. Yung parang biglang dun kayo kakapit basta may, alam mo yun?
Yeah. Ano yun? Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Ano bang may ibang term kung ang crab mentality kasi di ba parang yoko. For example, ikaw. Nakita kita mas nauna ka sa akin. Gagawa ako ng paraan para mapunta ka ulit sa kung anong level meron ako.
Yeah.
Parang ganun.
Yeah.
May ibang term, nakalimutan ko lang.
Pero
sabay sa agos type shit.
You just have to go with the flow.
Mm-hmm.
That's the circumstances now. And at least ito hindi ko naman sa pinapaano. At least yung gumawa ng app, bro. I understand them because I am one of them.
Yes.
We are one of them. That alam ko yung feeling ng barbero, alam ko yung feeling ng barbershop owner.
I know.
And hindi tayo maka-jump dun sa another stage na plano ko para sa barber industry. Not unless this is molded correctly already.
It will be molded correctly.
Oh, it will.
And also, I just want to give a big shout out, sa ating mga web developer. Because when they have used the app, nung pinagamit ko sa kanila yung app, sobrang dali nilang i-access.
Yeah.
And it's a very user-friendly. Hindi nagahang, hindi naglalag.
Yes.
It's a very, very, very good app. So, props to you and congratulations to the team, to all of us.
Yes.
And to the web developers na talagang nag-put out ng work sa app na to.
Yes.
Thank you guys so much. Yeah.
And it'll be funny later down the line once we're there already. But I told Joy earlier, this is just real talk. I think God is just really preparing us every step of the way.
Yeah.
He's not trying, kasi this can happen, this could be an overnight thing.
Snap.
And you know what happens when it's an overnight thing? Bang! Bigla kang, hindi mo alam yung gagawin mo kasi hindi mo alam paano i-handle yung ganito kalaki.
Operations, in terms of operations, sistema.
Yes.
Yes, I can't
so it's
wait.
still progress. And every progress, bro, sabi ko nga, every progress, pinapatakan tayo ni God na when we're thirsty sa mga progress na kailangan nating, yung gusto nating ma-achieve when we're thirsty. Minsan papatakan ka ni God ng small drop na anak, just keep moving forward. Ito nawaho ka.
Hapyaw muna.
Hapyaw. Yeah.
Tingnan mo muna yung konting asukal.
Yeah.
Nasarapan ka, trabaho ka pa.
Yes.
Mismo.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Yes, speaking of that, since meron tayong 3 topics na hinanda naman talaga.
3 each, ha?
Yeah, 3 each.
Kung may gusto kayong topic pa na gusto namin pag-usapan, someone's...
bring it on.
Yeah. May nakamonitor si Joy dito sa ano natin. May gusto ko yung pag-usapan natin. May questions kayo tungkol sa amin ni JP.
Bring it on.
Just leave the comment below.
I just want to congratulate all the winners.
Yes.
Sa content creation netong ni birthday special Babs, Kuya Babs nyo, no?
Yes.
Big shout out to Dodong the Gangster. Big shout out to Owen Dredd. And big shout out to Mr. Briefman.
Siya yung number 1.
Wala niya, bibilang ka ng brief ni Kuya Babs mo.
Yeah. Padala natin ng
brief mo.
Pero man, what a heart for him to do that.
Man. Yeah,
you know what I mean? You know what I mean? I was like, man, he got balls.
Legit.
Man. Pero congratulations. Yun lang yung one way to give back to our supporters.
Solid move.
Yeah. Congratulations sa inyo. So yeah, let's get on with the 3 topics.
So yeah, since napag-usapan natin kanina, let's talk about the change muna tayo.
Yes.
Or ano muna? Ikaw
muna.
Okay.
Pili ka doon sa tatlo mo.
Okay, ako muna. Sige. Since nasabi ko na change, let's talk about change.
Okay. Specifically on what changes.
Well, I mean, on how do you feel about change? What do you feel about change? What can you say about change? And what kind of knowledge did change
Yes.
have given to you?
So I feel like with the topic that you brought up, yung change is growth, my G.
For you, yes.
Para sa akin, yung mga nagbabago sa buhay natin, it's God's willing na baguhin. What you don't need, He takes out. What you need, yung pa rin ang mangyayari sa'yo. You know what I'm saying? Yung pa rin yung magiging, yung ikikip niya sa buhay mo. Pero when there's changes, you gotta be willing to adapt to the change. Kasi pag hindi mo, but it really depends on the right or wrong change. Kasi baka mamaya, mamaya meron kang gustong gawing change, pero alam mo na may kakasama mo, huwag mo nang gawin. Pero ibig sabihin yung change na sudden change sa buhay mo na, kunyari, change na ngayon medyo naghihirap ka. Accept that change for a bit.
Yes. Embrace
and fight forward. 'Di ba? Ikaw. What?
Kung paano ko tignan ng pagbabago. I can give a very exact example. There's one circumstance in my life.
Yeah.
Na it really tests kung paano ako klaseng lalaki.
Okay.
Sa isang pamilya.
Okay.
When do I have to tell this?
You can.
Here we go again.
You can, you can.
But yeah,
maneuver to it.
When one of my, ano ko ba sasabihin?
Somebody.
Let's go all out. No, let's go all out.
Okay.
But yeah, when my brother, was got caught.
Yeah.
So technically, it's a very very hard circumstance for me.
Yes.
Pero yun yung oras na wala na akong ibang choice.
Okay.
Kundi mas kumilos pa.
Oh, okay.
Yun na, yung naging ano ko.
Okay.
Yun yung naging mantra ko. Na sa lahat ng paghihirap na ibibigay sa akin, whatever the fuck it is, you gotta move.
Yeah.
Move.
Yeah.
That's all you gotta do, just move. Instead of you stressing it out,
move
it. Move it.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, just move.
Yeah.
Gumalaw ka ng gumalaw hanggat sa makuha mo yung tamang sagot.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, gumalaw ka ng gumalaw.
Yeah.
Hanggat sa makuha mo yung tamang sagot. Kung ano yung maisip mong galawan mo, sige.
Yeah.
Pero lagi mong bubuksan yung tenga mo sa tamang sagot kasi laging merong tamang sagot. I don't know if you get that.
Yeah. That's one of the that's one of the yun yung minsan problem eh. Sa sobrang galaw mo wala ka na naririnig eh.
Yeah. Diba?
Yeah.
Exactly.
Minsan pala binibigyan ka na ni God ng sign. Na ito na yun. Ito na. Pero sobrang ka na sa galaw. So you still gotta be cautious.
Yes. Galaw ka ng galaw but you gotta be cautious.
Yeah.
Yun yung, for me, that is the change na embrace ko. Na nagbago talaga yung lahat.
Yeah.
Kasi even though there is a bad shit na nangyari, the way I execute things ng mga oras na yun
was different.
Is different.
Yeah.
Different. I gotta provide, man.
Yeah.
Gotta provide for the family, gotta provide for all the expenses.
Yeah.
Lalong-lalo na, mas magastos pag nandun eh. Iba yung buhay dun. Mahal.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mahal dun. But anyhow, yun yung change para sa akin na it molded me to be a greater person. Kasi after nun, diretso na eh.
Yeah.
Kumbaga parang dun na yung naging bull run season ko right after that circumstance.
So that was a good change.
Yes, it's a good change.
That change molded you. So, yun. Since we're talking about family, eto, para sa akin, yung family ko was a big change from being, careless.
That is yes.
Not careless to an extreme, but what I mean is careless about a lot of things.
Careless about
decisions.
Kung paano yung mangyayari.
Yeah, kung pagmulat mo pa lang yung parang change sa I gotta execute things now. Hindi yung pagmulat mo, ano kayong gagawin ko today?
Hindi na ganun.
Hindi na.
Hindi na rin ako ganun eh.
Yeah. On when you wake up, you're like, man, I gotta do this, I gotta do that. Yeah, we need to,
Let's go. Feel ko, bilang, hindi ko naman sa generalize yung mga kababaihan natin. No?
Yeah.
Ikaw ba?
Yeah.
As a man,
yes.
Siguro nakaprogram na tayo na paggising natin sa umaga, we gotta fucking move.
Yeah.
Kasi minsan sinasabihan ako ni Jove para robot. Tipong pag konting alarm, bangon ako para akong bangon talaga agad.
Yeah.
Para ka robot.
Yeah.
Ganun talaga.
Pero bro, think about this. Isn't it, di ba parang mas masarap na yung feeling ngayon na nag-alarm yung phone mo or yung alarm clock mo na you know that you gotta move.
Yes.
Hindi katulad dati na pag nag-a-alarm yung phone mo, yung parang, ito na naman.
Snooze mo pa yan.
Di ba? Parang yung iba na yung discipline eh.
Iba na.
Di ba?
Iba na.
I'm sure, di ba? Pinagdaanan mo rin yan. Pinagdaanan ko yan. Yung pag narinig mo yung alarm clock, naalala ko nun sa States, so pag narinig ko na, oh man, ito na naman.
Kasi siguro may effect din yung pagising mo sa umaga tapos hindi mo gusto yung ginagawa mo.
Yeah.
There is a big effect on that.
Yeah.
Hindi mo talaga gusto yung gumising. Naku sa pagising mo, di mo trip kung anong dapat mo gawin.
Yeah.
Di ba?
And I think, yung alarm clock, minsan yung alarm clock ko, the way I see it is, game na. Kailangan mo na magano kasi may mga babayaran ka pa.
Yeah, bro. Same.
Yeah.
Bro, ang nakalagay sa caption ng alarm ko lagi, wake up. You gotta earn.
Yeah.
Lagi.
See? You know what I'm saying? I think that's adulting naman.
Yes.
Adulting na
27 na ako eh.
Yeah.
28 na ba ako? 28 na pala ako. 28
Magta-28 ka na.
28 na ako.
Sa September.
Magta-29 na ako.
Oh, man. Goodbye, 20s. Lapit ka na.
So, kailangan kong...
But you're still at a good momentum.
Yeah. I can see.
Yeah.
I can feel.
Yeah.
Na I'm still at my good momentum. Man,
Kasi your age. 27, 28. I was still a bit confused. Not confused to the point that I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what I wanted to do. I wasn't disciplined enough yet to handle whatever I had. Yung parang akala mo, this thing was never gonna end. Yeah.
May malaking bagay din and factor din sa talaga kung sino yung mga taong sinasamahan mo.
Yes.
Kasi hindi ka naman mamumulat kung ano eh.
Yes.
Hindi ka naman mamumulat kung walang mga brothers na nagsasabi sa'yo, you don't have to do this, you don't have to do that, do this, do that.
Yes.
Be prepared.
Totoo yan.
Kung walang mga ganong klaseng tao nasa paligid ko siguro, ay talagang nakakaligaw ang buhay.
Yeah. Guidance, no?
Oo. Sobrang importante ng mga kapatid or brothers.
Yeah.
Na talagang magiging sangkalan mo in terms of knowledge.
That's true.
And wisdom.
That's true.
Kasi kung papaligiran mo yung paligid mo nang wala ka namang nakikita na knowledge, wisdom, sama-sama lang kayo para magtelepono. Tapos at the end of the day, uwi na naman.
Inom or whatsoever. Wala.
So wala nang ganun. Yeah. Sa mga kabataan na nakikinig sa amin ngayon, I mean...
Or makakapanginig.
Oo.
Yeah.
Being an adult is enjoy. And masaya din.
Yeah.
Kung paano mo tignan.
Yeah. You just have to break out the chain.
Oo. At saka yung mga nakasanayan na gawin.
Yeah. Pero, one thing also is during your younger years, wag mo masyadong take it too hard on yourself when you make a mistake.
Oh.
Kasi those mistakes is what's gonna mold you.
Yes.
But make sure, pag nangyari na yung mistake na yun, huwag mo na lang siyang ulitin.
Huwag mo masyado ring personalin kung ano yung nangyayari sa'yo.
Yes.
Huwag masyado personalin.
Yeah.
Kung mahirap talaga.
Yeah.
Pero syempre, gumawa ka ng paraan para magkaroon ng sagot.
Yes.
At kung paano mo mapapagaan yung kahirapan na pinagdadaanan mo ngayon.
That's right. That's right.
If it's very stressful, it's fine.
Yeah.
Hindi mo na para ibuhos yung stress mo sa kung sino kasama mo sa bahay.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Mm-hmm.
Just, I mean, this is cliche, but you just gotta pray.
Yeah.
Rest,
Yeah.
Like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, breathe. And
Yeah.
go ahead, execute.
Actually, totoo yan. Now that we're becoming older,
Mm.
um, yung pag-breathe mo muna. Hindi ka may nangyari sa'yo, then react.
Mm.
Ngayon, parang natuto ko na rin okay, hold on.
Wait.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait lang.
Yeah. Yun yung, di ba pinag-uusapan natin kanina? Yung pinag-uusapan natin na, paano mo na-handle yung stress dati? Kasi during that time, hindi hindi mo pa compose yung sarili mo.
Yes.
Alam mo yun? Kaya ka lalo na-stress kasi ini-stress mo pa lalo yung sarili mo. Di ba? Yung parang, man, take a step back.
Pero,
Pray. Pray.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And at the end of the day, sarili mo lang din talaga ang
Yeah,
magtatanggal ng stress.
Yeah.
On
Yeah.
how you look on things.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hindi namin sinasabi na sobrang galing na namin sa buhay, ah.
Oo. Marami pa kami pinag-aaralan. Oh my gosh, ang dami ko pang natututunan. But this is just one of those words of advice.
And this is our face.
Yeah, na pwede mo ring i-incorporate sa life mo.
Oo.
Na baka possibly mag-work para sa'yo.
Exactly.
That's how you should take on things. Kasi, hindi mo rin malalam, naghahanap ka ng sagot. Minsan narinig mo to. Try ko nga yun. Hindi naman makasama yung ina-advise namin. Di ba? It's really up to you.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, your word.
Perfect. Kasi nandito tayo sa ano.
Magkakasunod.
Perfect. Mr. Joy Piret. Thank you, Joy.
Thank you, Boss Joy. Ay, talaga naman. Palapakan naman natin si Ate Joy natin na sobrang supportive, very present sa kung anumang mga bagay na dapat gawin dito sa kumpanya. But talagang sobrang salamat sa iyo, Ate Joy namin.
Yes. Yes. Super.
Super Joy.
Yeah. Without them, lalo na si Joy, man.
Bro, you got a gem there.
Yeah.
Me,
Yeah. No, pinag-usapan nga namin ni George. Sabi namin, man, once we get a big office, they all have to be like Joy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's Ate Joy is Ate Joy.
Yes.
Galing.
So since napag-usapan na natin yung age, napag-usapan na natin yung change, one of the topic that I wrote is health.
Yan. Ayun.
Because this is a major impact on age and health.
Exactly, bro.
Kasi okay, let me start.
Go.
During our younger years, it was almost okay not to be okay.
Okay.
Uy, parang kanta yun. It's okay not to be okay. When you're not feeling well, na parang okay lang na hindi ka muna magpa-check. You know what I'm saying? Lumaki kasi kami sa in my family na hindi na yung parang hindi kami nadala sa ospital.
Kasi?
Wala. There was never a circumstance.
Kahit,
Yeah.
checkups?
Yeah.
Bakit?
There was just never a circumstance. Emergency, ganun. It's so scary when you speak about these kind of things.
Yeah.
Kasi,
let's go.
Kasi, di ba, last time we spoke about it with Chloe, di ba, tapos napainom si Chloe during swimming days. Tapos na-hospital si Chloe for 5 days. Naalala mo ba yan?
Ano inom ni Chloe nun?
Hindi, from the water, yung mga nagsusuka yung mga bata during that time, di ba na-confine si Chloe na? So nowadays, katulad niyan, di ba sabi ko sa'yo today, luluwas ako for my eye. Namumula pa ba? Wala na.
Nagluluha ka nga eh.
We?
Oo.
Tigil na to. Hindi, it feels better now. Dati parang, okay lang yan. Ganun. I'll be okay. Pero ngayon na, as we're aging, parang, doon, lalo na pag may anak ka na, doon ka na parang lalo nagiging health cautious. Pero luckily, we're able to.
Yeah.
While it's still early. And luckily for my end, I already molded myself na in-incorporate ko na talaga yung exercise on a daily basis. Na parang hindi kompleto yung araw mo if I don't. Yeah.
Pain.
Kasi it's not, I'm not doing this anymore. Like what I said, I don't know, you saw, I'm not doing this to look physic. Yung parang mental health.
Yes.
And yung parang stamina mo mas okay from working out. So the biggest change also as we're getting older is yung health. Which is a major factor sa buhay natin. Life is the health.
Oh, yan.
You know what I'm saying? It's like
health is wealth.
Yeah, dun mo ano na damn, minsan nga dami kang pera. Tapos
and just a snap ng pagkakasakit mo naubos dahil sa mga operations
yes.
mo, check-ups mo.
Yes. And it's very expensive too. It's not cheap.
Bro, di cheap talaga.
Kanina nga, bumili ako ng eye drops para sa mata ko, 1.3 na. Eye drops. Patak. Di ba? Parang, damn.
Di ba? Kaya kailangan talaga natin magsumikap sa buhay.
Yep. Balance.
Syempre,
the balance of your taking care of your health and the workload.
Yeah.
Kasi kailangan mo balansehin yun. Hindi ka naman pwedeng masyadong health conscious ka. Hindi ka naman gumagalaw. Wala ka naman ginagawa for your financial needs. Financial is the one that's gonna support your health too.
Yeah.
So, kailangan balance siya.
Balance.
Meron naman kasing overwork, bagsak na yung health.
Oo.
Meron namang masyado nilang inisip yung health nila. Wala naman sila.
Paano yun?
No, but you know what I mean?
But yeah,
yeah.
sobrang blessed ng mga taong may gising in terms of balance. Kasi ang dami ko rin kilalang tao na
unbalanced.
Very hard worker.
Yeah.
They do not sleep.
Yeah.
So they're not living healthy.
Yeah.
They're not living healthy. They're messing up their body.
Yeah.
And man,
yeah.
I know a lot of people.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, in terms of health, are you done?
Yeah, go for it.
In terms of health naman, siguro luckily, I mean, at the age of 17, I'm into
physic na rin.
Physic. I'm into pumping my muscle. I'm into heavy lifting.
Yeah.
Kumbaga nakaadiga ko na siya since 17 years old. Up until now, ginagawa ko pa rin siya.
Yeah.
So I really sweat, big amount of sweat.
Yeah.
Pero nung pumatak na rin ako sa age ng siguro 25, age of 25, doon ko na rin nakita yung sense ng exercise.
Yeah.
Kasi nung mga oras na yon, sobrang stress ko din talaga.
Yeah.
But hinahanap pa rin ng katawan ko yung pain.
Yeah.
Gusto niya pa rin masaktan.
Yeah.
Pero, for example, you're stressed. You're under stress. Just work it out.
Oh, true.
Just work it out.
Mas gagaan yung mga sagot na hinahanap mo.
You are feeling some anxiety. Feel pain. Go in the gym or just work it out on your house.
Yeah.
Just feel the pain and you will find answers.
Yeah.
Mas magaan pa. Totoo yan.
Yung nandun sa day na life ko, sabi ko dun, kasi nakausap ko yung nagbigay sa akin nung dalang-dala ko na palagi. Ito, si African American. He stays here in Pila. Nung nagwo-workout kami nun. Sabi niya, quote, "Pain is weakness leaving your body."
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. So pag tumatakbo ka, it's painful. Pero you just didn't know it's weakness leaving your body kasi you're getting stronger.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. And that's how I see it. That's how I see it too.
Yeah.
Ako kasi, whenever I work out, I want it heavy. I want it heavy.
Mm-hmm.
Di naman sa ego lifter ako.
Yeah.
But I really just want it heavy.
Yeah.
Parang yun yung, instead of me thinking na kung paano gaganda yung katawan ko, wala na ako sa ganong phase.
Ako din eh.
Gusto ko, yung target ko ron sa kung gaano kabigat yung gusto ko mabuhat. Yun yung ginagol ko na wala nang pakialam sa kung lumabas sa katawan ko eh.
Yeah.
So, boost ko yung stress ko dun.
Yeah. It's true. Yung pag-gym na, kasi during the younger years, you want to look good.
Yeah, of course.
Until now, we want to look good, but at the same time, ngayon nagiging second nature na lang yung yung itsura mo sa mirror eh. Yung nafe-feel mo na lang sa body mo, sa mind mo after working out. It's the first thing now. Yung parang, di ba? Yung na-feel mo na you feel accomplished because you worked out again.
Yes.
You feel more clearer kasi nailabas mo yung mga minor stresses mo during yung toxic stuff mo. And totoo yun. Yung pag nag-workout ka, nilalabas mo naman talaga yung mga toxins eh.
Tanggal ang toxins.
Yeah.
Very
yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, guys, we're talking about health because we want you guys to be healthy.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, even though you are tired, even sabihin natin meron kang 8 to 5 p.m. na trabaho, just find 1 hour of your life na you gotta swear out.
And hindi naman kailangan, ito pa problema. Don't compare yourself to ano nakikita mo sa social media because you're not them. Kasi di ba?
Hindi ka naman gym influencer eh.
Di ba? Yung nakikita nila sa yun agad ang hinahanap nila eh.
Mahaba proseso yan.
Merong nagsabi sa akin, this was when I was younger working out sa States. I asked them, I was like, man, how did you transform to what you are now? Consistency, young one. Sabi niya, consistency.
Yes.
I didn't push myself too hard. I just keep going at it every day.
And feel ko yung...
And kailangan mo rin ng rest.
Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
Kailangan mo ng rest. Hindi ka pwede bumakbak na bumakbak. Depende lang kung meron ka talagang competition na pupuntahan.
Yes. Yes.
Pero yun nga, na-discover ko rin na mag-change talaga ang body when you are being consistent.
Yes.
Na hindi ka mismo makaka-notice yung kundi yung mga tao sa paligid mo.
Yes.
That's very true. You gotta be consistent para mag-develop pa yung body.
Mm-hmm. And ito rin yung isang bagay na sinabi ko na rin nun is once you work out in the morning, you almost feel accomplished.
Throughout
Tsaka
the day.
kaya mong... Kasi working out, running, whatsoever is one of the hardest tasks that you have to do for the day. Kasi,
for the day.
Kasi kailangan mo tumakbo or something, di ba? Pag na-accomplish mo yun, yung mga task na kailangan mo pang gawin throughout the day, mas maliit na siya.
Magaan.
Yeah.
Magaan.
Yeah.
At saka, while I'm working out, ang pinaka tumatatak lagi sa isip ko, kasi syempre, fatigue eh.
Yeah.
Fatigue, failure.
Yeah.
Naramdaman mo na yan. Tipong muscle na yung bibigay.
Yeah.
Pero lagi ko sinasabi sa sarili ko, I stop when I'm done.
Yeah.
I stop when I'm done.
Yeah.
So every time na sinasabi ko, I stop when I'm done, yun na rin yung same mindset na nagagawa ko sa mga bagay
na ginagawa mo.
Na ginagawa ko all throughout the day. I will stop when I'm done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kaya salute sa mga health enthusiasts na...
Yeah, and to all the workout influencers.
Yeah. Kasi it takes dedication.
Yes. Hard. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Lalo na dun sa mga talagang physical
mga
boxers.
Boxers.
Man.
Weight cut.
Iba. Iba yung nila, iba yung
Sabi
mindset.
nila, yung training mas madali eh. Yung weight cut daw talaga ang hindi. You will very dehydrated to the point na himatayin ka na.
Yeah, pero at the same time, bro, think about it. Man, yung buhay nila.
Man.
You know, discipline eh.
You put, pag fight camp, tagal kang wala sa pamilya mo.
Yeah.
Before the fight.
Big time.
6 months, 3 months.
Yeah.
Si Tito Manny ba? Tito Manny.
Yeah. He's fighting again, July 28.
Sino kalaban nito? Si Barrios na ba to o yung Korean?
I think it's Barrios. I'm not sure. Pero nasa Japan sila eh.
Oh, it's the Japanese guy, hindi si Barrios.
Yeah,
Because he's going to fight
exhibition.
He's going to fight for a title again against Barrios.
Yeah.
Again. At the age of 45?
Yeah. Woo!
Damn, bro.
I know. Pero I'm watching his training camp.
Against
so
Prime Barrios. Barrios.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's gonna be.
Ito. Since nandiyan ka ng topic. Experience, di ba?
Yeah.
Experience always wins.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mind is always stronger.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Because it controls everything.
Yeah. So, I'm not putting because Uncle Mad. Pero ibig sabihin when it comes to that, experience always wins in life too. Yeah. Merong super... Hindi siya hindi siya speed run eh. Yung buhay, it's a marathon. So during a marathon, you learn a lot of wisdom. You learn a lot of mistakes.
And marathon is consistent. It's unending.
Yes. Yeah. Next topic.
Sino ba to? Ano na to?
Health. Tapos yung health.
Ako na.
Yes, sir.
All right, we're going into Hang on, what did I send to you? Transition?
Transition, change, acceptance.
Eto na. Transition na muna tayo.
Go.
Oh, ooh. Okay. Para sa akin, ang take ko sa transition na ito, I have my situation with my live-in partner.
Yes.
And both of us notice na we are really in a transition for the better. Kasi tawag dito, transition for the better.
Yeah.
Kasi ngayon, napapansin na namin na mas malalim yung pagkakaintindihan namin.
Yeah.
Mas malalim yung connection na namin, kaming dalawa.
Yeah.
Kasi we are being very honest to each other.
There you go.
You know, even though it's hard to say,
yeah,
you gotta say it.
Yeah.
You gotta say it. Even though it's hard to say, you gotta say it.
That's a mature relationship.
Yep. And yeah. So doon na kami sa transition.
Yeah.
Ng mature relationship. It's our 5th year.
Wow.
It's our 5th year. And we're going there sa mature stuff relationship.
Yeah.
Kasi pareho din namin inaaral ngayon kung paano mas gagaan yung buhay namin eh.
There you go.
Gets?
Yeah.
So nandun na kami sa ganong klaseng connection.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm very proud to say that so far, so good. We're doing really okay. Now, we are understanding each other.
Mm-hmm.
And we respect each other now more.
Yeah.
And yeah, for me, the honesty have given us the transition to be better.
It's where it begins.
Yes. Yeah. It's the beginning. It's a new beginning for us.
Yeah.
Na talagang grabe yung connection namin dalawa.
That's good.
And I cannot live without her.
Yeah. Wow. Sample lang yan.
Ikaw, brother.
Transition.
Let's talk about transition. What is, anong effect ng transition na word para sa'yo?
For me, I'm hitting a major transition.
Oh, yes.
For me. All the, napag-usapan na namin to kanina, all the changes that's happening in my life.
Wait, is there a big difference between change and transition?
Change is, I feel like if you really define it, change sometimes can be sudden.
Yeah.
Transition is slowly change.
Yes.
Yeah, change parang snap eh.
Very good.
Yeah, yung nangyari sa buhay natin was a change.
Oh.
Yung transition, yung parang dinidevelop ka towards the change. Is that how you put it?
Yeah. True.
Yeah. Sheesh.
Sim.
Ano paano ko na-describe yan?
Sim, pre.
Sa pag-i-edit ng video. Change in transition.
Diba? Oh, di, totoo.
Yeah.
Totoo.
Yeah. Pero, yeah.
And everything that we do, yeah.
Yeah. So with, I feel like for me, it's this year, let alone, was a major transition from where I was last
year.
Yeah.
Damn, no?
Yeah. Big transition. Now it's a change.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. See?
Mo, huh?
Yeah. So yung transition from King transitioning to Mr. Babs.
Emperor Babs.
No, from myself to transition, or from, let's say, from the 22-year-old King to transitioning to, hindi, wag na yun. Kasi yung mga skills ko ngayon was already skills that I had before.
Okay.
Na I'm able to maximize it now.
Yeah.
So God gave me the change to transition to the person who I am now. Wow. Gets? God gave me the change to transition to the person that I'm becoming now for a new change ulit.
Damn.
Yeah.
It's just a cycle, no?
Yeah. Kasi katulad na to. Yung pag-vlog. Bro, that was a big change and transition muna to a change. Kasi I used to do that before for no reason.
Mm-hmm.
Watch to show social media, show my friends. But now, I'm doing it for a purpose. Everything that I do now has a purpose. The vlogging, the whole thing. Yeah, kahit, alam mo, sometimes, yes, before, during that time, it's like, man, wala naman nanonood eh. You know what I'm saying? But now it's for me, it's like, I'm going to keep doing this because later I'm going to rewatch this.
Yes, that's for me.
And my kids are going to be able to see the progress.
Exactly.
Na-document ko yung buhay ni Mr. Babs or myself.
And the family.
Yeah, na-document ko siya na parang, damn, my kids now can later watch this. Oh, ito yung pinagdaanan ni daddy tsaka ni mommy.
Punta lang sila sa YouTube.
Yeah. And the people are witnessing. Kasi what we did, this is something big.
Oh, naman.
Perhaps it's something big. No one has done it yet.
No one.
So I want to document this. So later, it's like, man, kinaya niya yun, no? Kita mo wala ka siyang kakopya. Wala siyang, he had no blueprint. Their team had no blueprint how to do things. But they were able to figure it out. They were able to they were able to escape the four walls of a barbershop.
Hey, escape the four walls of a barber shop, my brother.
You get what I'm saying? To something really big. So maybe sometimes it's a waking up call for someone also. Actually, kay YB. Also, I'll tell you about it. What he's doing. It was a waking up call with him nung nakilala niya tayo. Nakilala niya ako. Kilala ka dyan eh. Pero ibig sabihin nakilala niya ako, so big waking up call for him. Now he's doing something like crazy. Yung, I don't know, si Brave.
Yeah.
Brave is running now. You know what I'm saying? It's one of those. Lalo akong na-motivate na. Yun nga yung kasulat sabi ni Frank. Post mo na lang. Wala ka naman tatapakan eh. Di mo pa alam sino yung tatamaan. Katulad nung sinabi niya, ayaw niyang i-post yung sa kotse niya. Kasi siya mga tropa niya, mga naka-Ferrari na. Yung pala, nung pinopost niya, may naman motivate pala siya below yung mga nagtatry pa rin to make it. So that's the sense. And the main sense also is to see the progress. Kasi dun mo lang madodocument sarili mo. Marami na nga, katulad nga kanina sa Joy nag-uusap kami. Marami na tayong nagawa. Marami na tayong napagdaanan dito sa Babs natin so far. Na hindi natin nararamdaman masyado yung change kasi naging normal na lang siya sa atin. Ang nakakakita yung mga nag-view. Tayo yung nasa loob ng TV, sila yung nanonood sa atin. Sila yung nakakita ng difference.
Yes,
hindi natin siya
sir.
masyado ramdam eh. Kasi tayo, ito yung consistent na ginagawa natin. Hindi natin siya nararamdaman na, man, ganun ba kalayo yung ano? Not unless someone tells you. Bro, alam mo yung, man, nandito ka ng yung ganun, sila yung magpapaano sa'yo na doon ka lang magkakaroon ng waking up na, oh man, oo nga no. Pero, di ba, doon mo naramdaman na, man, okay. Wow. Kasi ikaw yung kumikilos sa loob ng TV.
Ikaw ang production eh.
Ikaw hindi mo
si direct.
Hindi mo na nararamdaman na ganun na pala yung na pagdaanan mo na hindi mo na namalayan. Ito na yung travel time mo. Kasi naka-play ka lang eh.
Mismo. You're very busy being consistent.
Yeah.
Sobrang dami rin talaga nating nakuwang knowledge ng mga tao.
Oo. Kaya shoutout sa kanilang lahat.
No?
Yeah. Big time. Kita mo, from our podcast, kaya natin balikan specifically yung mga na-interview natin, the knowledge that we got from them.
And the experience. I mean, even though we're just seeing each other, pero may laman eh. May laman yung pagkikita nating lahat.
Yeah.
I mean, may sense.
Yeah, may sense.
Hindi siya nonsense.
Yeah.
Because the main reason naman kung ba't tayo nakita-kita is because the knowledge. Because of what? Ano bang gusto natin makuha?
Yeah.
Knowledge.
Yeah.
Diba? Kaya tayo nagsama-sama. Wala lang. I mean, just...
It's also what you said na God is really, it's almost like we were like puzzles before.
Yeah,
na nagpo-floating around lang. Na konting-konting dinidikit-dikit ni God to something. Yeah. Yeah, man. Ano pa topic natin?
Nasa change.
Transition.
Ay, transition pala. Transition pala. Health na pala.
Hindi, tapos na yung health. Transition na tayo. Change, health.
Change, health, transition.
Next.
Ako na ba?
It's me.
Okay.
Connection.
Oh, yes. Ano?
Snap. Connection.
Diba?
Yeah.
Puzzles.
Puzzles. kung hindi ako nag-isip na i-connect ko na yun.
But yeah, puzzles.
Puzzles.
Connection, di ba?
So let's
Okay.
talk about connections.
You? Me?
You first.
Okay. Okay. Yun nga, di ba? Sabi ko lang kanina, mas lumalalim yung connection naming dalawa ni Jov because of the experiences that we are going through, the bullshit that we create
Yeah.
para sa aming dalawa.
Yeah.
It's either we break up, we separate,
Yeah.
or we stay that way and develop our shit para mas
Yeah.
mapagaan pa yung buhay ng bawat isa.
Yeah.
Nandun na kami sa ganong klaseng phase. And for me, connection is very, very, very important.
Yeah.
Lalong-lalo na sa relationship,
Yeah.
partnership,
Yeah.
business. And how are you going to build connection? You gotta talk.
Yes.
You gotta communicate.
Yes.
Nang magaan.
Yes.
Gets? Nang walang stress.
Yes.
You gotta communicate na maayos at may laman.
Yes.
Yeah. For me, connection is very important, lalong-lalo na sa pag-abot mo sa mga gusto mong makamit.
True.
If you are a person who doesn't have a chill vibe, who doesn't have a welcoming vibe, who always has trauma, who always has stress na talagang ipaparamdam mo sa paligid mo, how can you build connection?
Yeah. People wouldn't want to connect to you.
Diba?
Yeah.
How are you going to build connection if you are a toxic person?
Yes.
So for you to build connection, you have to excel and develop yourself.
Yes. Mental health.
Mental health, yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah.
I mean, your emotions are very valid,
Yes,
but your
of course.
actions is not.
Yes.
Your actions must be appropriate.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
So yes, for you to have a connection, you gotta be nice. You gotta be good. Kailangan magaan kang kausap.
Yes.
And yes, connection is a big part to success.
Yes. So true. So true, my bro. Kasi, think about it. If me and you didn't connect, yeah, all of the things that happened to us dito sa Usapang Barbero, which led to one thing to another to one thing.
Yeah, sunod-sunod yun.
Yeah. Di ba? Imagine, some of the things that we were just wishing for nangyari na.
Yeah, oo nga.
Yeah. But shout out to God. Think about it. Think about it. Things that we used to just talk about, nangyari na. Right? It's how we manifested. First, we connected.
Yep.
Once we connected, we kept on going forward.
Oh.
We started moving to the transitions. After the transition, things started to change.
Mm-hmm.
No, things were starting to change. We started talking about the things that we want to happen. Nangyari siya. And the crazy part about it is, not crazy, the blessing part about is, we're still at the beginning stage.
Yeah, bro. Wala pa tayong 1 year.
Yeah. Malapit na, pero big sabihin, this is just the
Yes.
beginning stage.
Yes.
Bro, this is not the top yet. Gets? You know what I'm saying?
Paano pa yung mga susunod na kabanata?
Yeah.
Paano pa yung mga naghihintay ng mga tao na may interview namin na itong tao to?
Yeah.
Gaano pa sila kalalaki?
Yeah. Kasi,
Alam mo yun?
di ba? Hindi naman sa pag-aano, God really blessed us with the people already.
Yeah.
That's already one of the tops.
Yes.
Here.
At syempre, hindi lang one of the top. People who really wants to have a conversation with
Yes.
us.
Yes.
People who really wants to connect and to learn
Yes.
from us. Even though, di ba?
Yeah. Yeah.
We are the Usapang Barbero in the Babsap team.
Yes.
You know?
Yes.
But we are very blessed because those people wants to hear us too.
Yes. Yeah, we wouldn't be there. But no.
Diba?
Yeah.
Gusto
Every
nila
single
tayong
guest.
marinig.
Yeah.
Diba? Gusto nila marinig kung ano yung gusto nating sabihin at kung ano yung mga mensaheng gusto nating iparating.
Yeah.
Na based sa kung ano yung experiences
Yes.
na nangyayari sa ating dalawa.
Yes. And think about it. I mean, this has always been a mentality of mine. Nah. If there's specific people that we want and declines. Later, tignan mo.
Another one.
Yeah.
Another one.
Yeah. Yeah.
And yeah, may paparating within this month, we're going to end this month very strong.
Yes.
Meron kaming dalawang approval na guests
Yes.
na
Yes, we'll announce it
bibisitahin
very
ng
soon.
Usapang Barbero.
Yes.
And
yes.
this is going to be a knowledgeable episode.
Yes, sir.
Can't wait.
Yes, sir.
And those are connections.
Connections. Right? Wow. Alam mo, mga kababs, the way we start the podcast is before kami magkita ni JP, we already tell each other, oh bro, isip ka na ng 3 topics. And then dito na lang namin pinag-uusapan yan.
Execute.
Oh. Kaya, I don't know, just going through this hour that we've been speaking, it's crazy how it connects.
Yeah.
No?
Right?
Yeah, it just connects. Just connects. Wala, hindi yung parang off siya.
No.
Nagko-connect talaga.
It connects.
So we have that
connection.
Next.
All right. My last topic is acceptance, brother.
Yes.
What can you say about acceptance?
Okay. Acceptance is always a big part of life.
Yep.
It's a very, very big part of life. There's a lot of things that you need to accept. If a certain thing that happens, you just gotta accept it and figure out a way on how to make things better.
Yep.
This is the negative side of the acceptance. Kunyari, may nangyaring something bad to you. Don't stay there.
Huwag mong tanggapin ng ganun.
Accept it and learn how to change whatever happens. Or accept the lesson behind sa nangyari.
Oo.
Sometimes the problem too is when it's a good thing na nangyayari sa'yo, minsan hindi ka makapaniwala. Binablock mo pa yung blessing eh. Accept it. Thank you. Be thankful na nangyayari sa'yo yung good blessings. Kasi minsan talaga ba nangyayari to? Ibig sabihin, lumabas sa bunganga kami, talaga ba nangyayari to? Yung parang, just accept it. Just be thankful. So that's what I meant by acceptance. It's a big part of our life that you need to learn how to accept those good things and the bad things. There's 2 sides to it.
Yeah. Akin naman, let me give an example, no?
Yeah.
I mean, pag-usapan natin yung namatayan.
Okay.
Because some other people cannot move on.
Of course.
Some other people are very broken.
Yes.
Some other people are wrecking themselves because they lost somebody.
Yeah.
I mean, di naman rin natin sila masisisi.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna tell you. Kasi you never really truly knows how it feels once ikaw na talaga yung nasa sapatos nila.
Naiintindihan ko.
Yeah.
Nai-gets ko din. Pero siguro, hindi ko naman sinasabing matibay ako. But sometimes, hindi ka pwedeng magstay dun sa burden eh.
Yeah.
As a man, hindi ka pwedeng magstay dun sa burden na
lalo pag may maasa sa'yo.
nandun ka lang.
Yeah.
Hindi pwede. Maapekto nasa paligid mo.
Yeah.
So you gotta accept.
Yeah.
I just want to give a props to my dad too.
Yeah.
Kasi namatayan kami ng tita.
Yeah.
Siguro sa ugali, sa sarili niyang, I mean, nakuha ko rin to sa kanya.
Yeah.
Now when something happens, he accepts. Real time.
Wow.
Diyan na yan eh.
Yeah. Strong.
Diyan na yan. Oh, bro, I mean, yun yung nakuha ko sa kanya siguro. And pag may nangyari, ayos lang yan, diyan na yan.
Yeah.
Let's move on.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, di mo siya makikitang malungkot.
Yeah.
But I know.
Deep inside.
Deep inside, yes. But he just don't want to see it. But he just don't want us to see it.
Yeah.
Gets? So, dun ko nakuha yung ganung ugali na if there's a circumstance, a very heartbroken type shit
Yeah.
that will happen, accept it.
Yeah.
Baka di para sa'yo. Tingin ko sa iba, baka meron mas maganda.
True.
Yeah.
That's very true. Ganyan din yung father ko eh. He doesn't show his emotion. He knows how to accept things.
Yes.
Pero, this is one thing about me, my father, and my brother. We know how to accept things, but at the same time, we still try to find a way to change it.
Yeah.
we don't settle.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
On a different route, ha?
Yeah,
Hindi yung, when it comes to yung topic kanina sa death. There's certain things na people are just willing to accept. Kunyari, alam mo yung paraan?
Oo.
Yung iba, kunyari, sasabihin ng mekaniko, ay sir, wala. Ganyan na po yun eh. Kailangan po nating paltan. Kami yung type of ina-analyze namin. Hindi pa pwedeng ganito, ganon. Tapos yung, hindi man sa nagmamarunong, pero may sense yung sasabihin namin na para to maneuver things.
Oo, baka kaya eh.
Di ba? Ganun yung mentality natin as a Filipinos too, di ba?
Oo, teka lang, tignan mo na muna, baka
Yung
kaya naman.
discarding Pinoy.
Diskarte muna, oo.
Yes.
Subukan mo ng diskarte yan, pag di gumana.
Yes. So yun naman yung other side of acceptance also. Di ba? Meron tayong ganun as Philippine, hindi naman lahat in general, pero merong ganun ng Pinoy eh. Katulad na lang sa ito maganda, sa gulong. Sa States, pag nabutasan sila ng gulong, accept na nila, nabibili sila ng gulong.
Bago.
Oo.
Sa atin,
may vulcanized pa.
Tapalan lang yan.
Pwede pa talaga.
Pwede pa.
Tumatakbo nga. Di ba? That's crazy. It's a multiple ways when it comes to the topic of
acceptance.
Acceptance.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the last one is our finance.
Oy!
Yes.
Oh, man.
Ito.
All right, go ahead. You talk about it first.
Finance is it's a heavy part on everyone.
Oo naman.
Mhm. Ito magandang saying kasi, bro, hindi totoo yung money can't buy you happiness.
That's not true.
I don't believe in that. You need money for everything. Yung nagsabi lang nun is they want to be comfortable,
complacent
on that specific place. Kasi bro, in a sense of gusto mo yung money can buy anything, I think kailangan mo talagang mag-deep think eh. Like, come on, man. Like, you need money to buy food.
Yeah, man.
You need money to keep the electricity on. Yung mga essentials na lang sa buhay, hindi sa luho. You know what I'm saying? Ba't hindi ka ba masaya pag may bukas yung ilaw mo?
Totoo yan.
Di ba?
Hindi ka ba masaya may hapagkainan sa ano mo? Sa hapagkainan, may pagkain.
Pagkain. Kahit hindi yung luho na lang, doon na lang sa essentials.
Mismo.
Hindi ka ba masaya? Yeah. You get what I'm saying? So, for me, financial is very important on how you manage your finance, lalo na pag may pamilya ka.
What is the best way to manage your finance or financial status?
For me, is ganito. Needs and wants.
Okay.
When I'm thinking of the things that I need, for sure, kahit ano yun, gagasto kasi we need it. On wants, I know how to, hindi ko pa kailangan yan. Yun lang, para sa akin yung dalawa. What's my needs and what's my wants?
Para sa'yo, kuya, ang pagiging very, what you call this, detailed ba will help your financial status?
I'm not very detailed.
I'm
not super intricate with
what's coming in, coming out?
Yeah, with my financials, ganun talaga ka-detalye. Kasi at the same time, I'm also a risk taker when it comes to investments and finance.
Yes.
So hindi ko siya masyadong hindi ako pwede maglabas ng ganito. Kaya nga sabi ko sa iyo, dalawa lang 'yun sa akin eh.
Totoo.
What I need and what I want. What my family needs, what my family wants. Kunyari, yung wants nila, kaya ko naman. Go. Pero yung wants nila, hindi ko kaya. They know that I can't. Pero if something that they need, they need, it's different. There's no more double thinking.
Wala nang para pag-isipan dyan.
Wala na. Parang dun sa kama namin, bro. Yung kama namin, hindi na siya want eh. We need. Need na siya eh.
It's a need.
Nung kaming tatlo pa lang ni ako, si ate mo, tsaka si Chloe, want pa lang yun. Kasi pwede pa eh. Ngayong 4 na kami, need na siya. Kaya napatagal pa namin yung kama namin. Di ba?
Ilang years yung kama niya bago niya napapalit? Double?
So si Chloe, 3. 4 years na yun. 4 or 5. Yeah. Di ba matagal namin natyaga yung want na hanggang naging need na siya. So yun yung one of the lessons also with your finance. Pwede mo tiyagain yan, yung want mo, hanggang maging need mo na siya. Here's another thing.
Go.
Here's another thing. With content creators.
Okay.
You don't need a new camera till you really need it.
Yeah.
Kasi may phone ka pa naman, di ba? Na till the point na dumating ka na sa na nagpo-progress na yung katulad sa atin sa usapang barbero. We didn't need a new camera. We just wanted a new camera during that time. Pero since we're going all out now, we're going all out. We needed a new camera. Di ba?
Yeah.
Yeah. Kasi hindi na tayo magkakasya doon sa frame eh.
Oh. Gano'n kalaki yung basa ako?
Di ba ganito lang no? Maliit lang yun eh. Parang ano lang yun,
eh.
point and shoot lang
para
yun
makita nyo, punta kayo sa episode 1 ng Usapang Barbero. Para maalam nyo kung ano yung sinasabi na.
Yeah.
Nandun yun, naka-jacket pa ako.
Hindi na tayo magkakasya sa frame. Hindi na magiging ganito yung quality nung ano natin. So we needed to change it. So that's how I look at finances. For me, it's I differ from my needs and our needs and our wants.
Oh man.
Ikaw.
Okay. As of now kasi brother.
Yeah.
Lahat naman ng mga gastos ko is napupunta sa kung ano yung exact needs ko.
Yeah.
So in every deals,
yeah.
Talagang umiikot lang yan sa bills ko.
Yeah.
And some other part, syempre, savings.
Yeah.
But yeah, bills. Pero di ko pa kasi, wala pa ako sa punto na makakapag-plan out ako.
Yeah.
Sa kung ano yung dapat kong gastusin at hindi.
Yeah.
Kasi the savings is not enough yet.
Yeah.
Gets? So every time I earn,
yeah,
it rolls out to the bills.
Yeah.
But as of now, nandun na rin kami dalawa ni Job, we are on the urge of executing a business that will really help us to improve the savings that we have.
And financials.
And financial. Kasi maggastos din talaga kami, bro. Totoo lang,
You know what? That's one of the things too. Huwag mong iisipin yung ito rin eh. Yung sa pagkain, yung sa comfort. Kasi nagtatrabaho ka naman eh.
Oo nga.
Ang point nung sinasave mo masyado yung pera mo, masyado mo namang dinedeprive na yung sarili mo. There's a balance to that also. Hindi naman yung kakain ka, linchak na yan, every week gumagastos ka sa restaurant ng 10,000. Di ba parang sobra na yun.
Sobra.
Kung yung ano mo. Pero ibig sabihin, once a month, gumastos ka sa sarili mo ng ganong malaki.
Ayos na.
Yeah. Pero yung everyday,
everyday 10K ka?
Hindi naman. Tsaka o kaya everyday, Jollibee ka everyday o McDonald's. Yung parang, no, that's excess. That's excess. Pero yung gastos mo yung sarili mo, baka yun ang iniisip mo. I'm not sure.
No.
Na magastos kami. Bro, when it comes to essentials for your life, no, that's fine. Kaya ka nagtatrabaho eh. You know what I mean?
Of course.
Huwag mo i-deprive masyado yung sarili mo. Kasi, pag masyado mong dinideprive yung sarili mo, hindi ka rin mag-excel sa life mo eh. Kasi hindi mo na i-experience yung, man, ito pala yung stage 2 nung life ko. So ngayon, kunyari, ganito na lang. Kumain ka sa isang mamahaling restaurant. Di ba? Kumain ka sa isang mamahaling restaurant. Ano nangyayari? Gusto mo ulit ma-experience, di ba?
And masarap.
So anong kailangan mong gawin? Magtrabaho ng twice the hustle to get back to paano nga pala ulit ako makakabalik dun?
Which is what you are doing.
Yeah. Yeah. So there's are things na wag kang masyadong ganun sa lalo na sa pagkain, lalo na sa ano.
No, all out ako sa food talaga.
Yeah, experience it kasi kapag na-experience mo na, yung parang okay, I tried it once. Later on, magiging parang Jollibee na lang niya siya sa akin. Gets? Yung mindset.
Mismo.
Oo, pero hindi mo kailangan gawing Jollibee yun araw-araw. Minsan kasi,
Tangina,
minsan
sakit
kasi,
yun.
hindi, minsan kasi, may mga tao nagiging mindset nila na kaya na nila, ginawa na nila parang araw-araw na.
Tutuloy-tuloy na nila, no?
Oo. No, once you get there, there's another level, hindi mo na kailangan gawing ano yun. Di ba?
At di araw-araw, Pasko.
Yeah. So what I meant is, so that's good. Don't ever think na, lalo na yung sa, kunyari sa, katulad sa shopping.
Yeah.
Sa shopping. Bibilan mo yung sarili mo.
Syempre,
It's different kasi. Ito.
Iba.
It's
May
different
specific amount of funds para sa shopping.
Oo.
So very different way. Lalo pag bibisa mo sarili mo. Eh.
At the same time, di ba? With iba rin talaga pag single and
yes,
family.
pamilyado.
Pero it comes to a sense na, of course, in order to attract other people that you want to connect with, you gotta look presentable.
And look good.
Yeah.
Look good.
So don't
and
deprive
cool.
yourself. Gusto mo makarating sa level nila, ayaw mo naman bihis dun sa level nila.
Kailangan mong
Yeah.
Kailangan mong magbihis ng maayos.
So the point and sense of for me is wag ka masyadong ganun.
Oo.
Yeah. Okay din yung giving ka din sa
Ganun lang.
Ganun lang. Yung sakto lang. Kasi pag ginanon mo yun, parang pag kumapit ka ng buhangin,
lalabas.
Yeah. Kung ganito mo lang siya kapitan. Yeah.
Iso, bro.
Tubig, buhangin, be flawless, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kasi may time talaga na ganun din talaga ako.
Naman.
Till I was willing to open up. Not on luho, bro. Open up na giving to the team. I'm sure nararamdaman niyo naman.
Naman,
I'm not
boy.
just saying that because of the camera. Kasi that's one of the important value lessons that my brother also told me. And Uncle Chavit, bro, sabi na, you help those people out. That's part of your journey. That sees your vision. Tingnan mo yung blessing sa'yo, parang bumabalik lang din. Hindi mo naman iniisip na magbigay ka, oh God, nasa na yung... Hindi. Don't ever do that. Oo. Kasi may mga taong ganun eh. Gagawin nila. Kasi they're already asking in return. No, don't ever do that. Kailangan from the bottom of your heart that you're doing it.
It doesn't work that way. Never expect back.
Yeah. Dati ganun, may sense akong ganun dati. Yung parang,
ako rin naman.
Pero ngayon, na-let go ko na siya. Yung parang,
kasi
I have to give from the bottom of my heart.
Because you saw it too.
Mas okay pa lang magbigay ka ng konti, at least from the bottom of your heart. Kaysa i-try mo magbigay ng sobra, tapos masama naman ang loob mo.
Pag di mo natanggap, pabalik.
Ang problema, yung nakatanggap, pag sila masama ang loob na yun lang binigay mo, sila na yun.
Wala
na yung karma sa'yo dun.
Yeah.
Pero ang problema, kunyari may 100 ka, tapos yung tinulong mo is 5 pesos. Grabe ka naman. Bigyan mo naman ng 20. Alam mo yun? Yan yung ginagawa ko minsan sa live natin eh. Sabi ko sa kanila, share your blessings. So kunyari nakatanggap ka dun sa blessing na 1 kilong bigas. Yan humingi sa'yo ng tulong. Kahit yung 15 dun, ibigay mo ng tulong, di naman sama yun.
Palag na yun. At least you help.
Yeah. Huwag naman bigyan mo ng 2 pesos, 3 pesos. Bigay mo rin. Kung anong gusto mo matanggap, yun din ang ano sa'yo. Ano sa pa tayo? Finance ba o giving?
Finance and giving.
Yeah.
Kaya natin na pag-usapan yung giving. Because it improves the finance too.
True. Hindi, totoo.
But yeah, that's true.
Blessing from God.
Yes,
kasi lahat
that's
naman
true.
ng finances galing sa kanya eh. Siya kayo nagsishare sa atin ng finance niya eh.
Na hindi mo nga alam na nalalagpasan mo yung buwan.
Si God daw, sabi sa akin ng aking kapatid, si God daw is just looking for specific bankers na pwede niyang biyayaan ng bangko niya. Kasi sa bangko, kailangan open ka din for withdrawals. Di ba ang bangko?
Good metaphor, brother P.
Yeah, see? Pero kailangan, hindi ka talaga hindi ka pwedeng magbigay ng over-excess. Yung kaya mo lang. Yung kaya mo lang, yung bukal sa loob mo.
Mm-hmm.
Not unless it's an emergency talaga.
Mm-hmm.
Yung talagang kailangan mo magdagdag ng bukal sa loob mo. It's okay. So yeah, mga kababs.
We just talk 6 topics.
Yeah.
ngayong araw na ito. And sana po natulungan namin kayo.
Yeah.
And may natutunan kayo kay Kuya Babs nyo and kay Kuya JP.
Yes, sir. It's a good topic again. It's a good podcast.
And to close this podcast, guys, I just want to thank my brother right here.
Thank you din sa'yo, kapatid.
For always opening the doors for new knowledge.
You too.
And experience.
Yes, sir. So sa mga hindi pa nakaka-follow sa amin dyan, kindly follow Babs app. We are road to our 10,000 followers.
Agay.
88 na po tayo. Kulang. 988 na lang ang kulang. Yes.
Saglit lang yun.
Oh, isang ano lang to sa inyo. Boom na yan.
Click yan. One click away lang yan.
Yes.
And sa lahat ng hindi pa nakakapag-download ng Babs That app, for all the clients, please just download Babs That app on Google Play, and Apple Store.
Yes, sir.
At syempre sa ating mga business owners at mga barbers, if you want to be a part of Babs That app, just please download Babs.partner sa Google Play and Apple Store. iOS Store.
Yes, sir. Any shoutouts, bro? Your upcoming shows?
Upcoming shows, postponed po tayo for July 27th sa Pampanga po yan. Pero makita-kita po tayo for the next month of August. And it's going to be a good month.
Yeah.
Excuse me. And if you want me to perform para sa inyo, just please send me a message po on my Instagram or Facebook, or just email me at bacalyanjohnpaul@gmail.com if you want me to book on your weddings, debut. Kung gusto mo, kahit saan. If you want me to sing, just let me know. We can talk.
Sir.
And if you want me to perform sa mga hip-hop events, sa mga, ano ba to? So, paparating na election.
Yeah, election. Yes.
Yo, don't hesitate to message me. I'm very willing to perform for you guys. Just send me a message, and I can assure you I will give a good fucking show.
Yes, sir.
And for you to check my music, just go to my Spotify, Apple Music. It's just JP Bacalyan.
Yeah.
And please download Babs That app.
Yes, sir.
To you, Kuya Babs, ano ang iyong nais na sabihin?
Tinitignan ko nga dito, baka may mga nakalimutan tayo magpa-shoutout kasi last time may mga na-bad trip.
Tignan
mo nga,
natin,
Joy,
tignan
meron ba?
natin.
Meron ba nagsabi? Shoutout? RC Castillo. Okay, nakita ko na. Yan ang gusto kong pinag-uusapan kasama ang healthy lifestyle. Good job, mga tol. Yes. Jack, ha? Rec Barbershop? Oh, Rec Barbershop. Shoutout sa'yo. Anything else? That's it, no? Okay, mga kababs. Ano bang unahin natin? Unahin natin, syempre, Babs app. Para sa mga kliyente, download it now.
Yeah.
And then para sa mga barbers, Babs.partner. It's both available in iOS and Google Play Store. Pag may tanong po kayo on any questions, just feel free and message us here sa Babs app na page.
Yes, sir.
And then, sa mga taga Laguna, Impeccable Cuts is here pag kailangan nyo ng gupit. And also, available on the app, Mr. Babs. At the same time, sa mga shoe cleaning, kailangan ng shoe cleaning. Dito, Impeccable Shoes. It's available on Google Play. It's available on Facebook. You guys can check it out, yung mga work namin doon. Meron tayong rig-glue, meron tayong cleaning. And also, new branches opening up. Target natin very soon. Ayoko mo na i-announce, just making sure. Pero coming really, really soon.
Yeah.
Dito sa Victoria Laguna, sa loob ng car wash po natin sa Victoria Laguna Luxbun. Meron tayong stealth printing sa mga election shirts, election needs na kailangan nyo po. You guys can message us here also or on our page, Stealth Printing, STLTH Printing sa Facebook. If you guys have any inquiries, Impeccable Shoes, Impeccable Cuts, Beladi Resorts. If you guys
Beladi.
Magstay kayo dun sa resort. Super
Very
chill.
smooth. Sobrang sarap magstay dun.
Valley vibes, Tagaytay, and also a new one is coming up very soon. Hayaan natin silang mag-announce.
Very soon.
Ano pa ba? Ano ba mga family business? Yun na, no?
And if you need landscape services, just hit me up.
And yung isa pa.
And also, Salt and Pepper event food tables. If you want to book us, don't hesitate to send us a message sa
super
Salt
solid.
and Pepper. page.
Lalo na yung chocolate. Damn.
All the desserts are yummy, 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 dump, dump.
Yes, sir. And my page, my official page po, my business page, Mr. Babs, sa Facebook and Instagram. And I
Yes,
guess
sir.
that's it. Maraming salamat sa mga nanonood.
This is JP, and this is my brother,
Mr.
Kuya
Babs.
Babs. We'll see you soon on the next episode.
Yes.
We'll be right back.
Peace.